Solar brothers and sisters, good morning to all. Today's session is continuation of the fundamentals of organic chemistry. Last class we are discussed about nomenclature of alkyl halide. Now we are discuss about alcohol. Alcohol or alkanol or hydroxy derivatives of alkane all are same. What is the definition for alcohol? In alkane, one or more hydrogen atom can be replaced by the hydroxyl group. This name is called alkanol. For in alkane molecular formula CnH2n plus 2. One or more hydrogen atom can be replaced by OH group and form alcohol. Alcohol can be classified into different types. First one is monohydric alcohol. Second one is dihydric alcohol. Third one is trihydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol further classified into different types. First one, primary alcohol. Second one, secondary alcohol. Third one, tertiary alcohol. What is the meaning for monohydric alcohol? Organic compound which containing only one OH group. This name is called monohydric alcohol. What is the meaning for primary alcohol? Primary alcohol notation 1 degree. Functional group attached to the carbon carrying 2 hydrogen and 1 alkyl group. This is known as monohydric alcohol. What is the meaning for dihydric alcohol? Functional group attached to the carbon carrying 1 hydrogen, 2 alkyl group. This is known as dihydric alcohol. If 2 alkyl groups are same, this name is called iso. If 2 alkyl groups are differ, this name is called secondary alcohol. Another one, tertiary alcohol. Functional group attached to the carbon carrying no hydrogen but 3 alkyl group. This name is called tertiary alcohol. Notation 3 degree. Here have to classify further. For examples, common, carmine, ipecacuanha. So tertiary alcohol, secondary alcohol, primary alcohol can be classified by using the monohydric alcohol. What is the general formula for monohydric alcohol? ROH. Suffix OL. OL is a vowel letter. First letter is a vowel letter. So terminal E can be replaced by the OH group to form the alkanol. Molecular formula CnH2n plus 1 OH group. For n is equal to 1, CH3OH. Common name, these are the alkyl group, so alkyl alcohol. Ipecaneam alkanol. Only one carbon. Before is what knowing about the molecular formula and structure formula, some valency of elements you are consider in organic compound. Valency of hydrogen 1, valency of oxygen 2, valency of nitrogen 3, valency of carbon 4. Here carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, valency of carbon 4, valency of oxygen 2, valency of hydrogen 1. Here only one carbon, name is called methyl alcohol. Ipecaneam alkanol, one carbon, so methanol. Methanol or carbinol. Because most of the organic compound, carbon name can be derived from methanol. Three carbon atom. If long chain which contain the carbon atom is straight, this name is called small n. Small n nothing but normal. Totally how many carbon? 3 carbon. So N-propyl alcohol. Ipecaneam. Functional group attached to the first carbon, give the least number 1, 2, 3. Totally how many carbon? 3 carbon. So propane 1 now. CH3, CH2, 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 OH. What is the valence of carbon? 4. Here 1, here 3. Here 2, here 2. All carbon atom and oxygen atom, hydrogen atom valences should be satisfied. Totally how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon, all the carbon are present in the linear chain. This name is called N. 5 carbon name is called amyl alcohol. Ipecaneam pentane 1 now. CH3, CH, OH, CH2, CH3. Functional group attached to carbon carrying 1 hydrogen and 2 alkyl group. If 2 alkyl groups are differ, this name is called secondary. Totally how many carbon atom? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So secondary butyl alcohol. Ipecaneam. How to give the number? Nearest from the functional group. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally how many carbon? 4 carbon. Butane. OH group attached to the second carbon. Butane 2. Next compound. CH3, C, CH3, CH3, OH. What is the valence of carbon? Whatever may be any compound, first you have to satisfy the valence of carbon, oxygen and hydrogen. Carbon valence 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Functional group attached to the carbon carrying no hydrogen but 3 alkyl group. This name is called tertiary. Tertiary. Totally how many carbon? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butyl alcohol. Ipecaneam. First select the longest carbon atom as a word root. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In the second portion, there is a methyl group and a functional group. So, 2 methyl. How many carbon? 3 carbon. OH group present the second carbon. So, propane 2 odd. Another one. CH3, C, CH3, CH2, OH, CH3. Here functional group attached to carbon carrying 2 hydrogen and 1 alkyl group. This name is called a neo. Neo. Totally how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Neo pentyl alcohol. Ipecaneam. Select the longest chain. 1, 2, 3 is a Vertical 3 carbon, horizontal 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon. Where is it functional group attached? Give the least number 1, 2, 3. In the second position there is a 2 methyl group. So 2, 2 dimethyl. Remaining common carbon 3 carbon. So propane 1R. This compound primary, compound secondary or tertiary. Functional group attached to the carbon carrying 2 hydrogen. This compound is a primary. Functional group attached to the carbon carrying no hydrogen but 3 alkyl group. This name is called tertiary. These are the compound. Another one is a aliphatic compound. Aliphatic unsaturated compound. Unsaturated means carbon double bond. One is a sigma bond, another one is a bi bond. Among two, bi bond is a weak bond. Carbon double bond CH. This name is called vinyl alcohol. IUPAC name 1, 2. Ethene 1R. Another one CH2 double bond CH, CH2OH. Unsaturated compound which containing 3 carbon, this name is called allyl. Allyl alcohol. How to give the number? Here double bond and OH group. OH group is a first priority. 1, 2, 3. In alkyl halide, double bond is a first priority. Depends upon the priority. Is based on the functional group. So what is the IUPAC name? Totally common carbon 1, 2, 3. 2 propene 1R. These all are example for monohydric alcohol. Another one is a dihydric alcohol. What is the definition for dihydric alcohol? Organic compound which containing the 2 OH group. This name is called dihydric alcohol. For example, CH2, OH. This present in the adjacent carbon atom name is called vicinal. If 1 OH group present mean this name is called OL. If 2 OH group present mean this name is called glycol. The word glycol added to the name of the olefin. Olefin means carbon double bond. Here 2 carbon means ethylene. So common name ethylene glycol. IUPAC name 1, 2 is a 1 OH group OL, 2 OH group diol. So ethane 1, 2 diol. D is a consonant, so terminal E retain. Monohydric alcohol 1 OL, O is a vowel letter, so terminal E can be replaced. These are the example for dihydric alcohol. Another one, trihydric alcohol. Organic compound which containing the 3 OH group, this name is called trihydric alcohol. For example, CH2OH, CH2OH. This one best example for glycerol. Glycerol or glycerine. What about IUPAC name? 1, 2, 3. Before naming the compound, first know about the valency of carbon. Carbon valency 4. This carbon 1, 2, remaining 2. Oxygen valency 2. Here 1, here 1. Hydrogen valency 1. This all the compounds valency of carbon should be satisfied. What about IUPAC name? Totally common carbon 3 carbon 1, 2, 3. So propane 1, 2, 3 triad. These are the example for classification of aliphatic alcohol. Aromatic alcohol already is what we discussed in the nomenclature. Next we discuss about alicyclic compounds. Alicyclic compound considered as a prefix as a cyclo. For example, totally how many carbon atom? 3 carbon atom. 1, 2, 3. So this name is called cyclopropane. One, two, three, 4 carbon. This name cyclobutane. This one cyclopropane. This one cyclobutane. Butane means totally 4 carbon atom. Another compound. Alicyclic unsaturated compound. Totally how many carbon? Is a 5 carbon. So cyclopentene. Ene refers to carbon-carbon double bond. In alicyclic compound, there are 2 substituents. How to give the numbering? Numbering is depends upon the alphabetic order. If 2 substituent, different substituent present mean number given by the alphabetic order. This one is a ethyl, so E. This one is a methyl, M. So this one give the list number 1, 2, 3. 1 ethyl group, 3 methyl. Totally how many carbon? 6 carbon. So cyclohexane. The cyclic carbon, totally 3 carbon. Side chain also 3 carbon. Which one is a root word? Here, both are same number of carbon mean this acts as a word root, this acts as a substituent. So, what is the name of this compound? Propyl. Propyl means 3 carbon atom. Cyclo 1, 2, 3 propane. Here cyclic total number of carbon atom 1, 2, 3 in the long chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open chain 5 carbon atom, cyclic total number of carbon atom 3. This one acts as a substituent, this one acts as a parent structure or word root. First give the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Root word. What is the root word? Select the longest carbon compound act as a word root. So in the second portion there is a cyclic compound. So 2 cyclopropyl. Totally how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pentane. There is a somewhat different structure. Ring compound which containing the multiple bond. Child chain which containing the functional group. Which one is the first priority? Functional group attached to the carbon atoms are word root. So you have to give the number 1, 2, 3. Or one more carbon atom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here In the second portion there is a cyclic compounds. So 2, open the bracket, cyclic compound. This is a cyclic compound at first number 1, 2, 3. In the second portion, this is a cyclic compound, double bond present in the second portion of the cyclic compound. So 2 cyclo hex 2E9. Total number of how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. Functional group present what portion? First portion. So 1 more. This somewhat different compound. This type of question may be asked in the NEET. The same compound which containing the ring containing the carbon-carbon double bond, that is a multiple bond. Child chain which containing the functional group, which one is a word root. Functional group attach the carbon atom act as a word root. In the second portion there is a ring compound present. First number 1, 2, 3. In the second portion there is what? Double bond. So cyclo hex means totally 6 number carbon atom. Double bond present in the second portion. So cyclo hex 2E9 butane 1 R. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total number of carbon atom is a 4. These are the example for the alicyclic compound of nomenclature. Next to nomenclature, ether. What is the definition for ether? Oxygen atom is linked to the both side by the alkane and unsaturated compound or aryl carbon atom. This name is called ether. Classification. First one, simple ether. RO R dash. If two alkyl group attached to the oxygen atom are same, this is known as what? Simple ether. If two alkyl group attached to the oxygen atom are differ, this name is called mixed ether. Mixed ether, another name unsymmetrical ether. Simple ether, another name is symmetrical ether. What are the classes? This one, general formula, molecular formula, Cn H2n plus 2. Examples: common name, IUPAC name. What is the molecular formula? Cn H2n plus 2O. Common name. What is the common name? There is a two alkyl group attached to the oxygen atom. So dialkyl ether. What is the IUPAC name? Oxygen atom go with any other alkyl group with less number of carbon atom. So alkoxy alkane. Formation of ether, minimum 2 carbons are required. So N is equal to 2. That is C2 H6O. That is CH3O CH3. How many carbon atom? 2 carbon. 1, 2. How many hydrogen? 6 hydrogen. 3, 3. How many oxygen? 1 oxygen. What is the common name? This methyl group. It is also methyl group. So dimethyl ether. What about IUPAC name? Both sides are same. This one best example for simple ether. So what is the name? Methoxymethane. Another one, CH3 CH2, O, CH2, CH2, CH3. This one best example for mixed ether. What is the meaning for mixed ether? If two alkyl group attached to the oxygen atom are differ, this one is a ethyl, this one is a propyl. What is alphabetic order? Ethyl, ethyl, N-propyl ether. IUPAC name. 3 or more than 3 carbon present mean how to give the number. Functional group attached to the carbon atom give the least number. So 1, 2, 3. 1 ethoxy propane. Another one more compound. This one is a methyl. This one is a butyl. So what's the name? Tertiary butyl methyl ether. IUPAC name. How to select the longest chain? 1, 2, 3. Second portion is a methoxy and methyl group. This one is a bird root. So 2 methoxy, 2 methyl, 2 methoxy, 2 methyl, remaining common carbon 3 carbon, so propane. This one is aliphatic compound, this one is alicyclic compounds. So this is E, totally common carbon atom, this is 5 carbon atom starting from number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What is the common name? This is cyclopendinyl ethyl ether. Cyclopendinyl ethyl ether. What about the IUPAC name? In the third portion, this is known as what? Word root. Third portion, there is a substituent. So 3 ethoxy cyclo, because of this compound is alicyclic compound, cyclo, totally common carbon 5 carbon, double bond present the first portion. Cyclo pend 1E. This one example for alicyclic compound. This one example for the aliphatic compound. This one example for both mixed aliphatic and alicyclic compound. Next discuss about aromatic compounds. Next aromatic compounds. What is the aromatic compound? Is a oxygen directly attached to the is a phenolic compounds and methyl group. This name is called aromatic compound. Aromatic ether or phenolic ether all are same. Common name anisole or this one is a M methyl. This full name phenyl. P alphabetic order. Methyl phenyl ether. IUPAC name, this is less number of carbon atoms, so oxygen go with less number, so methoxy, this name benzene. This name phenetol. E. This one is a phenyl group. So ethyl, phenyl, ether. Phenetol or ethyl phenyl ether all are same. These are the common name. Anisole or this common. IUPAC name. This known as less number of carbon atoms. So ethoxybenzene. Here, two phenyl group, diphenyl ether. Any one of the phenyl group acts as a substituent, another one is a word root. So, phenoxybenzene. This one example for simple aromatic ether. These two are example for mixed aromatic ether. Next, discuss about aldehyde. What is the definition for aldehyde? Carbonyl group linked to the both side by the hydrogen or carbonyl group is linked to the hydrogen and alkyl group. This known as a definition for aldehyde. General formula RCHO. Functional group CHO. Suffix AL. Molecular formula CN H2N O. For examples, compound, common name, IUPAC name. What's a molecular formula? This is a molecular formula. What's a common name? Common name can be derived from the carboxylic acid. When they get oxidized, IUPAC name in alkane terminally replaced by Al, so alkanal. For example, CH3CHO. This compound can be obtained from the carboxylic acid. Aldehyde, any aldehyde undergo oxidized to formation of carboxylic acid. Common name can be derived from their sources. For example, this example for the acetic acid. Acetic acid can be obtained from the vinegar. Here, IC acid replaced by the aldehyde. So, this common name acetaldehyde. So, common name of aldehyde can be derived from their carboxylic acid when they are get oxidized. Carboxylic acid, example acetic acid, IC acid replace aldehyde. This name is called acetaldehyde. IUPAC name, totally common carbon atom, 2 carbon. This name is called ethanol. Another compound, CH3, CH, CH3, CHO. Totally common number of carbon atom, 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 carbon is a butyric acid. This compound obtained from the butyric acid. When they are get oxidized, this compound butyraldehyde. Second carbon there is a branch. Branch one, first one same in iso. So correct name isobutylaldehyde. IPAC name. So aldehyde group always present at a terminal. Give the least number. So 1, 2, 3. In the second portion there is a methyl group. So 2 methyl. Remaining how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3. So propanol. CH2 double bond CH2. Common name can be derived from the acrylic acid. So this name acrolein. IPAC name 1, 2, 3. This unsaturated aldehyde group. So total how many carbon? 3 carbon. So prop 2 null. Prop 2 null. Carbon valency 4, one hydrogen can be replaced by the aliphatic portion. So CH3, CH, double bond, CH, CH2. 1, 2, 3, 4. Totally how many carbon? 4 carbon. Common name crotonaldehyde. IPAC name totally 4 carbon. 2 butanol or but2enol. Both are same. This aliphatic portion can be replaced by the aromatic portion. C6H5, CH, double bond CH, CH2. This common name cinnamaldehyde. IPAC name 1, 2, 3. This aromatic compound acts as a substituent. So this aromatic compound present in the third portion. So 3-phenyl, 2-propanol. This compound is a aliphatic compound. This compound aliphatic unsaturated compound. This compound is a aromatic compound. One more aromatic compound. This one simplest aromatic compound. Aldehyde group directly attached to the benzene nucleus. Suffix act as a carbaldehyde. Common name benzaldehyde. IPAC name benzene carbaldehyde. Suffix what is the common name? Benzaldehyde or oil of bitter almond obtained from this one. This one best example for aromatic aldehyde. Formula group directly attached to the benzene nucleus. This name is called benzaldehyde. As a common name, IPAC name benzene carbaldehyde. In the benzene nucleus, there are two different aldehyde group present. This name is called a salicylaldehyde. IPAC name. Comparatively aldehyde and OH group, aldehyde is the first priority. Give the least number. 1, 2. One more common name. Functional group attached to the carbon. Adjacent carbon, this name is called ortho. Salicylaldehyde, another one common name is a 2-hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde or benzaldehyde. IUPAC name 2-hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde. Here, one more here. First carbon is a EPA group attached to the first carbon. Nearest carbon, this name is called ortho. So, not 2-ortho hydroxy benzaldehyde as a common name. Another one more common name, salicylaldehyde. IUPAC name, this EPA group attached to the first carbon. Nearest carbon is what? Second carbon. Second carbon which containing the OH group. So 2-hydroxy benzene carbaldehyde. This one is an example for aromatic aldehyde. Let us recap the nomenclature of alcohol. Alcohol nomenclature can be classified into different type. First one is a monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol. Then unsaturated alcohol and aromatic alcohol. Next, nomenclature of alicyclic compound, cycloalkane. Another one is ether. Ether, oxygen atom is attached to the both side by the saturated or unsaturated or aromatic carbon. This name is called definition for ether. Molecular formula CnH2n plus 2O. This ether can be classified into two types, simple ether and mixed ether. Another one is aldehyde, general formula RCHO, molecular formula CnH2nO. It's an organic compound of volatile nature. How to practice regularly. Good luck.